Hey, Mr. Wonderful here, how are you? We're in a very special place. You know I love watches. We're in Caesar's Palace in Las Vegas at one of the world's largest watch stores. I'm in Las Vegas, what do you expect? I'm gonna do the Marilyn Monroe walk down the stair shot. This store is so incredible, you get the idea of the depth, the height of the ceilings, all the brands in here. It's just a watch wonderland. It really is. There are so many different ideas to see here. I almost consider this a watch museum experience. You see that logo over there, Carl F. Bucherer? Let's go over there. This is a really remarkable brand in horology. Come on. Carl F. Bucherer. Lucerne, Switzerland, 1988. The granddaddy. This is one of the oldest, most esteemed brands in the world. You know, the only reason I can talk about this brand with such knowledge is I'm a vampire, and I was there when it was founded. That's right in the vineyards of Switzerland. Yep, I'm a Burgundian vampire. That's because I like Pinot grapes, but never mind about that. Gerard Perregaux. And by the way, because we're in Las Vegas last night at 3 in the morning, they dropped this brand new, there's only 33 of these, tourbillon. Look at the dial on that thing. That's what's so great about being in one of the world's largest watch stores. You never know what you're gonna find. Brand new, ceramic, absolutely spectacular. Chopard. I need sunglasses near here. Look at the bling on these watches. Isn't this incredible? Look at the dial, stop the madness. La Chute, German, incredible dials. Longines, why you want this brand? Fantastic price point for the quality you get. Entry-level watch, why not? Tag Heuer, sporty, sexy, fantastic piece at a great price. I mean, look at these watches. They make amazing dials. Omega. Why this is special to me, my very first watch, the Speedmaster Moon Watch. Now, this giant stone is not paper mache, otherwise I'd lift it up. It's the real deal. Kind of signifies the Moon Watch thing, part of the Omega aura. This brand's amazing. Tudor. Everybody knows Rolex owns them. They have some of the most amazing case materials, like ceramic, like silver, and beautiful dials. Long legacy to this piece and very affordable for the quality you get. Grand Seiko. So many people don't know that in the late 1800s, the Japanese started making watches from the locksmith industry they had there. What's unique about Grand Seiko, why it's worth a look-see, why you should come in and look at everything, the most incredible dial manufacturing in the world. The Japanese take pride in the craftsmanship of these incredible textures on their dial. Grand Seiko is crazy dials, and the quality's insane. It's called the Grand Seiko Crunch when you dial it. I have many Grand Seikos. Love this brand. Breitling. You want a sexy sports look that also works on a tuxedo, jeans and t-shirts? Breitling. It's got that whole racing vibe, aeronautics, a lot associated with this brand. People love it, and a unique dial look. Moser burst on the scene with what? Incredible dials, insane dials, amazing dials. The look that Moser has taken it right to the top. Relatively young, but smoking hot. Moser. Blancpain, yes, that says 1735. I was there, I'm a vampire. Fantastic brand, been around forever. Huge legacy, unique dials, spectacular value. Come here and see it. This is Masterworks, multiple brands. Let's have a look. First of all, Jacob. Jacob & Co. is crazy chicken dials. If you've got every other brand and you don't have a Jacob, that's what's next. Look at that. Yeah, you know, these actually come from the planet Jacob. They're not even made on Earth. Frank Mueller, very, very distinctive looking watch. Very, very famous brand. First watch I ever bought my wife. Breguet 1775, one of the famous first watchmakers. What a brand. Legendary. Incredible dials, of course. Collectors appreciate it. It's been legendary in Europe forever. Mr. Wonderful here. No one needs a watch, but everybody wants one. Why? because it marks a moment of time in your life. Many watches appreciate and value over time. That's why I created WonderCare. Want to learn more about insuring your watch? Go to wondercare.com. One of the great features of these Bucher stores, whether you're in Las Vegas or New York or many others, is the pre-owned section. Now, one of the great challenges in watch collecting is if you can't buy the piece as a primary retail product, and there's many watches you can't do that because the demand is insatiable for so many brands, you can go to the secondary market. Now, the challenge with the open secondary market, and let me just tell it to you straight, is fraud. That's right. Watches like the steel white-faced Daytona, no one can know for sure, but as much as 10% of those are fake. They're such in demand that fakesters, if you want to call them that, fake watchmakers work very hard to make fake watches and sell them to you in the aftermarket, as it's called. How do you avoid that? Well, you come here, the pre-owned section of Bucher's store, where every single watch is authenticated. You get a 2-year warranty. Watchmakers look at it to make sure it's real. You get new papers for it, and you know with certainty that the watch is real. And that's what really, really matters, because these watches sell in most cases at a premium. You know, if you're buying a used Rolex, you're going to pay more, but at least you're going to get it, and it's going to be real, and you're going to get a warranty. So a lot of the pieces that are so coveted you will find here, because let's face it, Bucher has tens of thousands of clients. Many of them trade watches in. They bring them back to where they bought them. They get authenticated, they get repackaged, they get new papers issued, and you get a warranty. So that's fantastic. Here we are. There's many amazing pieces in here. I'm not going to walk you through every one of them and be here for hours, but I just wanted to let you know this exists, because people ask me all the time, can you look at this Rolex for me? I said, it's not me. You've got to get it authenticated. You've got to go to an authorized dealer of Rolex that know the heritage of the watch, the caliber of the watch, the serial number of the watch, and only they can authenticate it for you. I rest my case, Your Honor. You can't find this many timepieces on display anywhere. So if you're in Las Vegas, you've got to check this out. This is one of the marvels of this city. Absolutely beautiful.